Hello, this is my final evidence of the course of effective presentations. It's about the production process. My personal presentation. My name is Tea Daphne Karime Castillo Garcia. I'm 22 years old. I'm studying the Engineering of Mechatronics in the University Tech Milenio Campus Cuernavaca. I have a certificate of Electronic Automotive Systems, Creation and Development of Companies, and Total Quality and Six Sigma in Yellow and Green Belt. My email is teadk@hotmail.com. I'm from Cuernavaca, Morelos. Well, let's begin. What is the production process? The production process is the operation group that are necessary to make a product. The production process must be plain, and the operation must add value. The inputs are first changed through the process to obtain a final product to distribute in the market to the client. So, what are the principal steps of the production process? The principal step of the production process is the design and planning, the program of production according to the client demand. Then the production with personnel, machines, product rate, tools, and materials. And finally, to distribute just in time to the client. What are the principal components of the production process? Is the supplier, who is the person or organization that provides inputs to the process. Then we have the input, where is the resource that it adds to the process by a supplier. Then we have the process, where is the series of steps, the principal steps, where an input converts to an output. The output is the resource that is the result of the process. And finally is the customer, who is the person or organization that receives the product or the final service. For example, in the Volkswagen plant, we have the Golf A7 production, and who is the supplier? The paint shop and auto bodies and suppliers in Interlogistic is or our suppliers. Then we have the input, the painted cars, the electric components, mechanic components, and the tools. Then we have the process, where we have Romal 1, Romal 2 with an efficiency of 95%. In the Farber, we have an efficiency of 85%. And in the Romal 3 and Romal 4, we have an efficiency of 90%. The time tag is 2.35 minutes, and the cycle time is 1 hour. The output is assembly and finished car. And finally, the client is the concession companies and technical center and the principal client. For example, we have a value stream mapping of the assembly process of Golf A7. In number 1, we have a client who order and demand to the fees, who is the production control, and who is the planning program. Then we have the principal suppliers, and in here a starting process plus buffers with cars, obviously. This is the principal process, and finally is delivery to the client. just in time. This is a layout of Volkswagen Golf A7 process. In this part, we made to the connection components and proof. In the Romal 1 and Romal 2, we put the airbag, electric components, crystals, security belt, harness, and others. In the firmware, we put components of engines and tank of fuel and others. In this part of Romal 5, Romal 2, and Romal 3, we have an electric proof, filling of climate, filling of gasoline, wheel, seats, and others. And in this part is the PC7, and we have the quality proof and finally proof. So, what are the principal objectives of the production process? In number 1 is meet the demand of the client. In number 2 is add value in the product. Number 3 is the volume, quality, just in time for the supermarkets and materials, zero accidents, reduce waste and cost, and the KPIs of the company. And what are the tools and methodologies for improve the production process? Is the lean manufacturing, is the Six Sigma, is the Kaizen, is the Pokayokes, is 5S, value stream mapping, continuous improvement, standardization, and others. And this is the final of the presentation. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.